In this video, I want to show what a custom-made 3D motorboat configurator can look like. If you're in the motorboat manufacturing business, you surely encounter situations where you have many models, many different parameters for these models, and you need to configure them and explain to clients how it will all look on the finished product after production. This 3D configurator allows you to control various parameters of the object in real time. You can configure any details so that it is clear and visible to customers what their motorboat, which they are planning to buy, will consist of. You can place this configurator on your website, and it can be used not only by your potential clients, but also by your managers. When a client comes to the showroom and needs to see different product variations, it is not always possible to have all the parts physically in stock to show them. In a 3D configurator, you can create a multitude of 3D models. For these 3D models, you can develop any parts and set their parameters so that right in the showroom, when a client arrives, you can adjust these settings and show how they will look. This significantly enhances the visual aspect of selling motorboats and makes the process much clearer. Also, such 3D configurators work well not only on desktop versions of websites, they also work well on mobile applications and can look like this, as you can see now on the right side of the screen. We adapt them, create these 3D models, and then configure all their parameters. This configurator works optimally, including on mobile devices. When clients find your site in a search, they come to see what the motorboat product looks like. What other interesting features does this configurator have? For instance, day and night modes. You can additionally place these points for inspecting the motorboat. This saves the client from having to rotate it manually, and you can work directly with points to see how the motorboat looks from different angles. What other interesting features are there? When a client selects various configuration elements, the price can be generated immediately, followed by a purchase request for the motorboat. In addition, we can set up extra features, for example, related to generating PDF files. This could look something like this, where a specification, an estimate, and the product cost are generated immediately, and the client receives it right away via email or messenger, or the manager sees in the CRM system which product was configured. In addition, the system includes an AI feature. This feature helps with image post-processing and shows how the 3D model will look in realistic conditions. How does this look in practice? Let us take a look. Right now, in these pictures, we see how the model looks in the 3D configurator and how it looks below. After the artificial intelligence post-processing, for greater clarity, let us look at the larger photos. Note that the configured boat model already looks like this in realistic conditions, and this creates an additional visual effect for the buyer. We develop such 3D configurators on request and can make them for different models with various parts, elements, and details. Yachts 3D configurators significantly increase customer engagement when they visit your website and boost your conversion rate.